Hey guys, so it is day 3 of our adventures and we are at Kayu Putih, which translates to white tree. It is a really cool, very old tree in Bali. So yeah, let's go have a look. This is like unreal. It's so big! I'm just here at Kayu Putih, right? Yeah. With my friend Kieran and Putu. And yeah, look at this. It's stunning. Say hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi. What do you think of the tree?
It's bagus.
Bagus.
The tree is,
Yes.
yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
Thanks guys. Okay, and we are leaving the tree and we are heading now to Leke Leke Waterfall. So yeah, I say so a lot in my vlogs. I'm so sorry about that, but I can't help it. It bothers me when I edit them. But anyways, yeah, we are leaving now. Also, just to let you know that there is a donation to come to the tree, but you just donate what you want. And yeah, let's go to the waterfall. I'm just walking down to Leke Leke now, but first we are stopping at a warung for some lunch because it is almost noon now. So yeah, I will show you what we get up to. I'm really looking forward to seeing this waterfall because it is one of the ones that was like on my bucket list of things that I really wanted to see. So very, very excited. Okay, we've had our food. Now we are walking through the jungle to the waterfall. I feel like this is the most like adventure-y trail to a waterfall that we've been on so far.
We've been on Bali.
Yeah. Yeah, we together. Me, I should say, I guess then. This is my most adventure-y trail. Look guys, look, mud stairs. A little owl called Hedwig, which is very much my vibe. I love Harry Potter.
Hello, Nyoman Coconut. How are you today? Brother, no good business now. Many people coming. No good, no sell. Hello, you want coconut? No, thank you. I don't have money. Hello, you want coconut? No, thank you. I have water.
No, thank you. I have water.
China coming. Hello, you want coconut?
So this Leke Leke walk was one that I read was recommended to wear bug spray, and I've been really good at that every time we've gone out so far, except for today. So that's fun. I already have been bitten, but it's all good. It will be worth it. But just so you know, if you come here, bring some bug spray and some sunscreen. All right. Continuing on. Okay, and you can see what I mean here about the dirt stairs. So I would say this walk is probably the least accessible so far out of the ones that I've done. Alright, so I was just saying in that other clip, this definitely not a walk I would recommend if you have any mobility issues at all. Look, there's chickens! Excuse me. Right, we've got our sign and a very cool bamboo bridge here. Very cool. Look at that. Okay, going over that bamboo bridge, not my favorite. Did I feel like I was gonna fall through? Yes. Did I fall through? No. More stairs. This is gorgeous. We officially made it. Leke Leke. that. It is so beautiful. Yeah, I am gonna get the drone up right now, so I will put those clips in shortly. We are leaving Leke Leke now. Oh, it's just like, yeah, unreal. I'm so happy that I came here. And now we are making our way to Nung Nung, which has 500 steps. So I'm not doing it because of my knee issues. Kieran's doing it, and I will be flying the drone over some rice terraces, I think. So yeah, stay tuned. Gotta go climb all these stairs back up to the top now, so wish me luck. Yay! The exit is coming up. I'm very out of breath, guys. It was worth it though. Very worth it. I am on a really cool bridge now. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I got some cool shots with the drone. Yeah, I'm excited to show you that. Everything is very exciting today. So yeah, having a very good day, and hopefully Kieran is enjoying his Nung Nung hike because yeah, it doesn't sound like very much fun, but I'm sure it will be very much worth it. Hi again! So I don't know if you can see, we have a really cool bridge behind us here. Who's gonna tell us what it's called?
The bridge called Tukat Bangkok.
Bangkok.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. We've got a little sign, I don't know if you can see it very well, right here. And yeah, my pronunciation is just the worst. So yeah, I just flew my drone over the bridge. We got some cool top-down shots, and yeah, I'm excited to show you. Selfie in the middle of the road. Something I would do.
You too.
Yeah, right? Yeah. If there's no cars, why not? Getting some cool bike shots, I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Almost all the colors of the rainbow. Love it. Back at Nung Nung, waiting for Kieran, and I got some cold drinks, and just gonna chill now while we wait. And then we are going to Ulun Danu Temple, which is a temple like right on the water. It looks beautiful. We're hoping to get a really nice sunset, so fingers crossed. I am officially at Ulun Danu Temple. This is a place that I've been wanting to come for a really long time. There are no drones allowed. Oh! There are no drones allowed. Just so you know, if if you were to come in here. They're banned. You can find them most places in Bali, but just not over places of worship. But yeah, I am so excited. This is a very exciting day, and we've got really lucky with the weather. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain, because we do have some really dark clouds here. But I think we will get very lucky. So yeah, follow along to check out this temple with me. Okay, we're coming up to the best part, I think. So yeah, this is stunning. The architecture is just like unreal. It's so cool. I made it! And it's so sunny and beautiful. Well, moody and beautiful. We have some really cool, like moody and light conditions going on right now, which is just like, look at this. It's unreal, like spectacular. I can't wait to show you guys some photos. I'm about to do that right now. Asked this beautiful couple if I could also take a photo of them, and they are just here getting their photos done. It's just absolutely stunning, so I will put a shot next so that you can see as well. But yeah, just absolutely beautiful. Okay, we are heading from Ulun Danu to go and try to find food. Kieran went to one. Oops, I need to watch where I'm going. Kieran went to one, but they were just closing, so we'll kind of see if this place will be open. We don't actually know when the temple closes, so we will find out. Hopefully we can get some dinner, because it's like 5:30ish, and it has been kind of a long day. But yeah, a really amazing day. I cannot wait for you guys to see. Also, frogs are very much a theme here. Lots and lots of frog things. Ah! This one's funny. He's the best. Yeah, so the place with the frogs was also closed, so I'm gathering that all the restaurants are closed, and perhaps the temple will be closing shortly as well. So might mean that it's not actually open for sunset, but we got some pretty cool conditions anyways. And yeah, now we're gonna go find Putu and go get some food from somewhere else. We are just leaving Ulun Danu now. We're gonna go try to find some dinner because, as you saw, we were unsuccessful here. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be posting more things soon. This is actually really fun. So anyways, thank you again. And that's it from me. Okay, bye. Look at that. Creepy peanut guy.